Happy National Sewing Machine Day! You're here to see who my special guest is. Well, we're not going to disappoint. Welcome to the Sewing Machine Repair Guy. Come learn with me today as we go back to the past to talk to somebody very important to the timeline of the sewing machine. Isaac Merritt Singer. Welcome to the Sewing Machine Repair Guy. I'm so glad you took time out of your busy schedule to be here today.
Thanks for having me. 'Twas really nothing. I had no prior conflicting engagements.
Weren't you one of the first sewing machine repair guys?
Yes. I grew up working as a machinist, and one day I was asked to fix a Leroy and Blodgett machine. Whilst studying it, I determined it was an inferior design. These poor factory workers had to utilize this machine that was marginally better than hand sewing.
What did you do next?
What did I do next? I did what any man worth his salt would do. I invented a much better machine. It had a needle bar and a presser foot, which could speed production to 900 stitches per minute. His design had the shuttle traveling in a circular vector and a bent needle that will never last and was too difficult to produce. In my design, the needle bar was very easy to produce, and it utilized a straight needle, also easy to produce. Then Elias Howe had the nerve to sue me for patent violation. How absurd! The scoundrel was just upset that my machine was far superior to his.
I suppose you worked through those patent issues.
Yes, the patent issues took some work to overcome. And a lawyer named Orlando Potter assisted greatly with the patent. But that worthless fellow Elias Howe still made away with some of my income from every machine.
You didn't make your millions selling machines to factories, did you?
No. I didn't make much with the industrial machines. I realized that women needed a machine at home. Do you know how hard it is for my wives to keep up with clothing for 20 plus children? The women of my day wanted to have liberties. They wanted to explore other avenues, other exploits, better horizons. I wanted to facilitate these endeavors. A sewing machine in every home, from 10 to 600 stitches per minute for only $10, and we offered a payment plan.
Did you invent the payment plan?
Did I invent the payment plan, my dear boy? The idea of making payments on credit was around long before my time, but it wasn't used very often. I made sure that everyone had the means to own a singer. We couldn't produce them quickly enough.
I've heard that you may have done a little acting in your day. Is that true?
My dear young man, I was born to be a thespian. Just look at me. I was a sensation. It was my calling. I so enjoyed my days of traveling with the Merritt Pliers. All eyes on me. It was a prodigious time. I sold out venues every weekend. Unfortunately, the success of this machine drew me away from the spotlight.
You, no doubt, are an incredible innovator. I'm not sure what it was like back in your day, but today, having 3 wives kind of makes you a terrible person.
A terrible person? I just love too much. An innovator, indubitably. I take great pride in the work I have done to improve this complex machine.
Thank you so much for taking the time out to come here and be a part of this show on this special day, this National Sewing Machine Day. It's amazing that you could make it here, and I really enjoyed getting some of your insight about the sewing machine and your history. Is there anything you want to say before you go?
Before I go, I'd love to say thank you to those who have built upon this incredible machine. It continues to be an engineering masterpiece. I'm amazed at how it has been improved upon throughout the years, but I still see the basics of what I invented so many years ago.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video today, my interview with Isaac Merritt Singer. I really enjoyed putting this together. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Enjoy your National Sewing Machine Day. Share this video with your friends. Let everybody know. And share with me in the comments what you're doing for a project on National Sewing Machine Day. Thanks for watching The Sewing Machine Repair Guy. What? 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 Oh?